guys, today's video is a requested video from one of my subscribers, and she wanted to see how I do a high sleek bun. So that's what I'm going to do today. This hairstyle I love to wear, especially if I'm going to an event or in a special occasion. It keeps your hair out of your face. You can have fun and you don't have to keep worrying about touching up your hair all night, and it looks really chic. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. So you only need a few things. You need hairspray, so to get rid of any flyaways. You need bobby pins, and you need something that is closest to your hair color. A hair elastic, again, that is preferably close to your hair color, and a comb. So what I did to prepare my hair, earlier I actually filmed a video on this if you want to check it out. It's the video that I used the new GHD straightener, and I just washed my hair and then I just straightened my hair, and that's the perfect start for this hairstyle. So it looks really great if you straighten your hair first. Okay, and then after that I'm just going to brush my hair, making sure it's nice and knot free. First I'm going to brush my hair back. And just tie it up in a ponytail. I like to do my ponytail pretty high, and even if you start off really high, it usually moves down a few centimeters. So I'm just going to tie my hair up a few times so it's nice and secure. Okay, once that's done, you want to grab a few bobby pins. And what I'm going to do is take a small section of my hair like that, and then I'm going to wrap it around. Then secure it with the bobby pin. As you can see, there is a nice ponytail. Now I'm going to take my hairspray. This is the Redken Force Field 23 hairspray. It's a really good one. And then I'm just going to take a little bit on my fingertips and push back any flyaways. Then if there are any kind of bits you want to push down, you use your other bobby pins to just secure them in place. One final brush of the ponytail. So that's my finished high sleek ponytail. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you try this hairstyle on your weekend out, or if you have an event and you try this hairstyle. I'd love to hear about it. So guys, thank you so much for joining me again for another video, and I'll see you next Monday. Bye.